Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 4-08, the rear axle hub cap for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go file new, part MMGS. Okay, so let's go right plane, sketch. It's going to be circle. It's going to be a smart dimension of 65. It's going to be extrude out by 22. Done, beautiful. Now it's going to be a fillet of, let's try 2, fillet of 3. That's good, so that's done. Okay, now this side here, the side we did not fillet, we need to edit a sketch. We need a circle. And that needs to be dimension of 59. Dimension, thank you. 59. Yep, beautiful. And that's going to be feature extrude 22 minus 9. Sorry, 6. So it's going to be 16. There's that one, cool. Let's fillet 1.5. That one there, that's the inside one. Yes, it is. Done. Beautiful. Let's go this side. Let's go to normal. Sketch. Let's do a circle. In this center, it's going to be a dimension. Let's do construction line first. Dimension of 50. 50. Thank you. That's going to be 4 holes of 4 mil. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I could mirror it around, but it's not that. It's only 4 and it lines up, so either way work. Let's see, 4 mil. So our circle on the hole 4 will go equal. There we go. Smart dimension. Not smart dimension. Sorry. Feature extrude cut through all and done. That's there, and that should be it. So that's part 4-08, the rear axle hub cap done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Thanks for coming along. Do appreciate it. We're going to be doing a slight change. I'm going to be starting 2 new series. Instead of doing assemblies in this series, I'm deciding I'm going to do assemblies in a separate series. So the assemblies are done, I'm going to redo. And also look at doing a 3rd series on this product on blueprints, doing the plans. So I can keep them separate. That way, if you're after assembly, you don't need to go through the videos. You can just look at assembly videos. So I'll keep it separately. So thanks again for coming along. Appreciate your support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.